Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook healthy, flavorful, aromatic and delicious white chicken rice. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chicken 1 kg. Properly washed and marinated with ginger powder 1/4 teaspoon, garlic powder 1/4 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1/2 teaspoon, white pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, allspice powder 1/2 teaspoon, chicken powder 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 3 tablespoons. Marinate for 2 hours. Cover properly and refrigerate. Put 1/2 cup oil in pan and add marinated chicken and fry on high flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Add chopped coriander leaves and fry for 2 minutes. The whole spices we need are mace 2 petals, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, black cardamom 3, black peppercorns 1 teaspoon, black cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon, white cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon, salt 2 tablespoons, chicken cubes 4, white pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, allspice powder 1/4 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon. Add chicken cubes. Add mace. Add black cardamom. Add salt. Add black peppercorns. Add white pepper powder. Add white cumin seeds. Add black cumin seeds. Add coriander seeds. Add allspice powder. Add black pepper powder. Stir properly. Fry for 2 minutes. Add 1 liter warm water and let it come to boil. Set the flame on medium. "500 grams Pakistani long-grained basmati rice, washed properly and soaked in water for half an hour. As water comes to boiling point, add soaked basmati rice and set the flame on high for 3 minutes. Stir off and on. Now turn the flame medium to low. At this stage, cover with lid and let it cook till water is about to dry. Set the flame on dead low and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the flame but remove lid after 3 minutes. Garnish with green chilies and serve with salad and yogurt. Flavorful, healthy, aromatic, nutritious, and delicious white chicken rice is ready. Enjoy and share with your family and friends. We hope you will give it a try. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.